Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you how many cars I've made out of modeling clay during the entire time I've been running this channel, or more precisely over the past 6 years. Because I've already made quite a few cars, and I'm sure you'd be interested to know exactly how many models I've made. Was it 50, 70, 100, or maybe even 150 models? Write in the comments right now how many cars you think I've made in 6 years, and at the end of the video I'll tell you the exact number and we'll see who guessed it right. I'm curious to see your guesses. And now let's quickly go over all the models, starting from the very first one on the channel, and at the same time we'll see how my sculpting skills have improved from model to model. VAZ 2107, crafted entirely from sculpting clay. Dodge Charger, BMW M5E60 and the former COVID from BMW Drive, and another car from Beam NG, BMW M3 from Need for Speed Tesla Roadster, the new version of the Dodge Charger, Police Ford and Kamaz, all made from sculpting clay. Mercedes 140, Renault Megane 3 Toyota, AE 86 Peugeot, 406 Ford Mustang, American Van FBR, Lamborghini, Huracan, Geländewagen, Chevrolet Camaro, Porsche 911. Cadillac Jacuzzi, Nissan Gran Turismo Racer, 35 Gazelle, Audi Rennsport, 6 Thanos' car, DeLorean, Dodge Challenger, ZIL 130, Tesla Model X, Coca-Cola truck, BMW M4 VAZ 2107, Nissan Gran Turismo Racer, 34 VAZ 2107, Bugatti Chiron Cabriolet, Lada Vesta Sport, police car, Audi R8. BMW from Need for Speed Lexus, Bentley Ultra Tank, Academica Priora Limousine. Victor Tsoy's Moskvich, Porsche Cayenne Motorhome, BMW M5 F90 Niva Bronta, G-Wagon 6x6 Cybertruck. Gazelle. Next, 2 identical BMW M5S Porsche 911. Toyota Mark II, Ulyanovsky Автомобильный Завод Patriot, Toyota AE86, BMW X5M, Toyota Supra, Plymouth Roadrunner, Chevrolet SS, Mitsubishi Evolution 9. Lightning McQueen, Nissan 350Z Mercedes, 190 Innova Travel, Rolls-Royce, Dodge Charger from Versace, Nissan Gran Turismo Racer, 34 Mazda RX, 7 Mitsubishi Evolution 10, Audi 100 S4 Academic again, Nissan Gran Turismo Racer, 34 Toyota AE86, Nissan Silvia S13, Nissan Gran Turismo Racer 35. And this was the last model I sculpted. At the moment it's the best clay model I've made. We went through and remembered all the cars I've sculpted over the years, and their total number is 75 cars. I sculpted them over 6 years running the channel, smashing most for crash tests. Only a few cars remain, and if I hadn't smashed them and had collected them all, I would already have a very large collection. It's just that at first I sculpted cars that weren't very good looking. It's not like now, when it's hard to tell them apart from store-bought models. Guys, I created a channel for my Parrot. He already knows how to talk, you can check it out. I'll be posting various funny videos about him on that channel. So if anyone is interested in my Parrot, follow the link in the description and subscribe to the handsome Gosha. I'll be very happy to see you there. So that's how many cars I've made during all this time. I wonder if there are any of you who have been watching me since the very first videos on the channel. If there are, leave a comment. I'd be really interested to see how many of you there are. And I'll keep making cars out of clay. There are still so many interesting models I haven't made yet, and I'd really like to do them. I'm currently working on my next model, a 2006 Subaru Impreza. And so you don't miss the release of the new video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a like. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Subtitles by Dima Torzok.